That's the first trade, down 0.7% for the Nifty, and my guess is it would be Infosys which would be at the bottom of the heap, dragging the indices lower, and the rest of the IT majors with it. An 8% shave off coming in for Infosys, 200 points gone on this one, 23.28 on Infosys now, and it doesn't seem like the pain is over quite yet, 23.25 now, so it's a gap down start for Infosys. This is nothing new, we've seen these kind of rates in opening bell from Infosys in the previous quarters as well. But I just want to see what sort of repercussion it's having on the other IT majors as well. So let's just bring up a couple of those for you. Let's see what Wipro, HCL Technologies and TCS are doing. They're all being painted with the same color, and that is red indeed. So HCL Technologies, Wipro as well as TCS are all in the red right now, wherein Infy struggles at that 8% cut mark right now. Would be interesting to see what mid-cap IT does, because slowly the stance of the street was actually shifting towards mid-cap IT, and people were a little more bullish as opposed to the frontline IT majors and the prospects of mid-cap IT majors. So let's just see Tech Mahindra as well as Hexaware. These stocks have been buoyant in the last couple of trading sessions, but no, it doesn't seem to be any different today, or rather it seems to be only different today. All these stocks as well are looking a little bit under pressure, but Infosys clearly the biggest disappointment. HDFC Bank ahead of its earnings. I just want to see what this big boy is up to, up 0.5%, steady as steady can be. A 30% PAT appreciation expected from HDFC Bank. That stock will just come off the on your screen. And of course Maruti, that again should be a dragger on the indices considering the guidance cut that Maruti management has indicated. They've almost halved their guidance for FY30.